Filling out an application form in Zoho typically follows a straightforward process designed for user-friendliness. Here's how you can do it. Access the form. Log into your Zoho account or access the form link provided by the organization hosting the application form. Complete personal information. Start by entering your personal details such as name, contact information, address, and any other required fields marked with asterisks indicating mandatory information. Provide educational and work history. Fill in your educational qualifications, including institutions attended, degrees earned, and dates of graduation. Enter your employment history, detailing previous roles, employers, job descriptions, and dates of employment. Upload documents. Some Zoho forms may require you to upload supporting documents like resumes, cover letters, or certificates. Use the designated upload buttons to attach these files. Review and submit. Before submitting, review all entered information for accuracy. Ensure all required fields are completed and attachments are properly uploaded. Click the Submit or Send button at the end of the form to submit your application. Confirmation. Upon submission, you may receive a confirmation message on the screen or via email, confirming your application has been successfully submitted.